Challenge. Pork skin snack. Black pepper. Spicy. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Wow! Fried pork skin. It's not spicy. Like fried lime. It's my style. It's a little spicy. Both success. Round 2. We not choose rock to the paper. Yes, I won. I think both are spicy. My pig mara tuna. Volcano king crab. Challenge. It's too salty. Spicy. It's too salty and spicy. I'm going to hold it in. You penalty. Sour jelly. This is better. Round 3. Fire chicken feet. Wow! It smells bomb. Challenge. Delicious but spicy. Why it's hot? You fail. You penalty. I'm spicy yet. It tastes like rotten coke. Round 4. Garlic kimchi. Challenge. I'm going to hold it in. Spicy candy. It's real food smell. Rotten lemon. I regret. Final. Cold pepper. Ramen. Plain noodles. Sauce. I'm scared. Challenge.
Holy.
Both fail. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 3. I won. I'm loser. Give me a prize. Whoa! Melon ice flake. I envy you. Melon ice cream flavor. It's really delicious. Look at that. It's mine.